Hello, today I wanted to share a quick tip with you all about brush holder ideas. So, if you've been painting for a while, you know you collect lots of brushes, and I like to keep my watercolor brushes separate from my acrylic or gouache brushes. So I have multiple different ideas for keeping my watercolor separate. Now, this is just a peanut butter jar, a large peanut butter jar that I washed out. And I like using plastic jars rather than the glass jars, because in my studio things can get crazy, and you know, I knock things over sometimes, and I can't tell you how many times I've knocked over my brushes, and if they're in glass, that could be a problem. So I started using these little plastic ones. The only problem is you know, they are very lightweight, and sometimes they do tip over. So I had the idea to put my brushes in a coffee can, or a this is actually a peanut or popcorn tin that the Boy Scouts did for a fundraiser, but I kept the tin and I filled it with just dried kidney beans, or whatever kind of dried beans would probably work. And the great thing about that is it holds your brushes upright and keeps them spaced out, and I thought that was really good, and that's not going to tip over. So you could actually put the kidney beans in one of the glass, or not glass, but the plastic ones, to give it a little stability. And this one is just random brushes, old brushes, cheap brushes. But you know, I save all my brushes because you never know if you're gonna do a project where you don't want to clean the brush and you just want to toss it, so I keep my cheap brushes. Now, one of the best little brush holder slash water cup that I really like to use are these little lids to laundry detergent, and you can see it has the load size on there, but they're clear, they're very lightweight. But the really nice thing about these is they have this little indentation here that it's on both sides, and when you rest your brush on there, it doesn't go anywhere. And it keeps your brush from sitting down in water or sitting down in paint. If you don't want to use that as a water container, you could use it as a little container to put a wash of watercolor paint, like a big juicy wash, if you were going to paint something big. And here's another one, and it holds different size brushes, as you can see. Even one of those big brushes, this is probably, I don't know, like an inch and a half flat brush, and it's one of the heaviest brushes that I have. But so those are really neat, and I just wanted to share that idea with you in case you use these. Don't throw these out, because they're really handy. And oh, I just want to show you what you can do with that. You can put Velcro on the bottom of these little plastic brushes, and then have another piece of Velcro here, and you can just attach them to a artboard, and it will hold there while you're painting, and you can have water in it. So if you're standing up painting and you need a little water cup slash brush holder, look, I can dip this pretty far before it rolls off. So that's neat. So I hope you'll recycle if you use that, and thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips useful, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.